Namaste. I GVN Baropuel. Today we are going to discuss about the session General Pathology of Tumors in the course Oncology Science in the BSCRT 7 Let me discuss about the general pathology of tumors. Tumor is a mass of abnormal tissue that arises without obvious cause from pre-existing body cells, has no purposeful function, and is characterized by a tendency to independent and unrestrained growth. Restrained growth. Tumors are quite different from inflammatory or other swelling because the cells in the tumor are abnormal in appearance and other characteristics. Abnormal cells, the kind that generally make up tumors, differ from normal cells in having undergone one or more of the following alteration. First is hypertrophy, or an increase in the size of individual cell. This feature is occasionally encountered in tumors but occurs commonly in other conditions. Hyperplasia, or an increase in the number of cells within a given zone. In some instances, it may constitute the only criteria of tumor formation. Anaplasia, or a regression of the physical characteristics of a cell towards a more primitive or undifferentiated type. This is an almost constant feature of malignant tumors. Through it occurs in other instances, both in health and in disease. In some instances, the cells of a tumor are normal in appearance. The differences between them and normal body cells can be discerned only with some difficulty. Such tumors are more often benign than non-benign. Other tumors are composed of cells that appear different from normal adult types in size, shape, and structure. They usually belong to tumors that are malignant. Such cells may be bizarre in form or may be arranged in a distorted manner. In more extreme cases, the cells of malignant tumor are described as primitive or undifferentiated because they have lost the appearance and functions of the particular type of normal specialized cell that was their producer. As a rule, the less differentiated a malignant tumor cell are, the more quickly the tumors may be expected to grow. Thank you. The session pathology of tumor is over. In this session, we discuss about the pathologic condition and how the tumor occurs, how the tumor cells are different from the differences between the normal cell and tumor cells. Okay, the session is over. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayatu Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.